Enemy forces are launching a coordinated offensive on our country. Operation Counterstrike will commence in the next few minutes. Our main goal is to destroy a variety of high-value enemy targets. To defeat the threat, all of our platforms must be mobilized. The SPICE family, the ultimate precise standoff weapon, is ready for the challenge. Using a variety of accessible imagery and topographical data sources, the missions are easily planned by our squadrons. Mission data is stored onto a memory cartridge and loaded to the weapon. Introducing the SPICE2000 Guidance Kit. The SPICE1000 Guidance Kit. The pilot selects the preloaded mission with its specific defined target, attack direction, and hit angle. To minimize and eliminate aircraft attrition, SPICE, with a standoff range of over 60 kilometers, is launched outside of the enemy's surface-to-air defended area. After release, SPICE uses its unique scene-matching technology to match the seeker's real-time imagery and to the target's pre-planned reference data in order to identify the target and lock onto it. This advanced capability ensures that SPICE overcomes any possible GPS jamming. The scene-matching technology enables pinpoint accurate target hit, and when coupled with high attack angle, it facilitates penetration of hardened targets. The SPICE is a combat-proven weapon, and its technologies have already been successfully employed in adverse weather and low cloud base. The attack azimuth and impact angle are defined in order to enable target-specific hit requirements, such as a bunker on a hillside. Here, the hit direction is 180 degrees opposite to the release heading in order to overcome target concealment. The SPICE Seeker combines a dual CCD and IR sensor. The large release zone presented to the pilot makes in-flight operation easy and flexible. The SPICE family offers autonomous standoff operation, pinpoint accuracy independent of GPS, day, night, and adverse weather operation, reduced pilot workload, simple mission planning, and affordable kit concept. SPICE family, the ultimate precise standoff weapon. Brought to you by Rafael, smart and to the point.